Imagine you are learning how to drive and your lessons are £34 an hour, and you're sitting in the car with your instructor and you need to decide how much money you need to transfer for the next 4 hours of the lesson. You don't have access to a calculator and it's awkward to do it on your phone. So how do you find the answer? This is what we use multiplication for. On the other hand, say if you are at a dinner party with 5 other people, so there's 6 of you, and the bill is £159, but your phone is dead. So how do you work out how much money each person needs to pay? And this is an example of division. By the end of this video, you should be able to multiply and divide in less than 30 seconds using the multiplication method and the bus stop method. So how do we actually multiply? Well, let's take this example, 304 times 8. Well, what we do is we simply multiply the units first. So 4 multiplied by 8 is 32. So we write down 2, that is the units part, and the 30 tens goes here. Little 3, 32. Then we do 8 times 0, which is 0, and then we add 3, this number here, and we get 3. Then we do 8 multiplied by 3, which gives us simply 24, the remainder. So the answer should be 2,432. This next question, we have 45 multiplied by 6. Now, all we need to do, 6 times 5. We get 30, so 0 goes here, 3 goes here. Then we do 6 times 4, 24, plus 3 equals 27, which gives us 270. Pause this video and try to solve this question by yourself. Okay, so a little bit harder because there's a 3 here. So how do we solve it? Well, it's actually not too hard. So first one, as before, 5 times 7 gives us 35. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3, 13. Then we put a 0 here because we're not multiplying by 3, we're multiplying by 30. So 0 goes here. 3 times 7, 21. And now this is 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Add them together at the end. So you get 5, 4, and 9. So 27 times 35 is 945. And we did it without a calculator. So in the end, it's really just multiplying single-digit units together. Now, how do we multiply with decimal points? So this question is a little bit harder because we're multiplying decimal points. All you need to remember is when you're multiplying two decimal points, 2 tenths, it will result in a 2-digit number. So we will leave a space here. Now 7 times 8 is 56. 6 goes here. 5 goes here. 7 times 7, 49, plus 5, 54. Seven times 8, 56. Plus 5 is 61. And then, next one, I put a 0 here. 4 times 8, 32. 7 times 4, 28. Plus 3 is 31. And 4 times 8, 32. Plus 3 is 35. And finally, we put 2 zeros here, and now we're multiplying by 20. So 2 times 8, 16. 4 times 7, 28. Plus 1, 29. 2 times 8, 16. plus 2 is 18. And now we simply add it all together, and we get 6, 6, 8, 20, so 2 carries over, 11, 13, 1 carries over, and 2, and we get 2,308.66. Now let's try a division question. So here we've got 108 divided by 3. This is called the bus stop method, because it looks like a bus stop. To solve it, we simply find how many times 3 goes into 1, which is 0. The remainder goes here. 10 divided by 3 is 3. And again, the remainder is 1, so it goes to the left. And 18 divided by 3 is 6. Next question. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 7 divided by 2 is 3. Remainder 1, so we put a decimal point. And a 0 here. And then the 1 goes to the left of the 0. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. Feel free to pause this video and try this question by yourself. So, to do it, 5, how many times is 6 going to 5? 0. Remainder 5. How many times is 6 going to 52? 8. Remainder 4. And how many times does 6 go into 42? 7. And we didn't need to use a calculator. So going back to our original question, how do we first find out how much we need to transfer? If we have 4 hours for a week and we pay £34 an hour, well, you simply do 34 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. It goes here. 3 times 4, 12, plus 1 is 13, or £136. So this is how much you will transfer. And the second question, we have £159. So we divide it by 6. We get 0, because it goes into 1 0 times. 1 goes here. It goes 2 times into 15. Remainder 3. And it goes 6 times into 39. So we put a decimal point and a 0. So 36, meaning 39 minus 36, remainder 3. And 30 divided by 6 is 5. So the answer is £26.5 per person. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.